Hi friends, I brought a new video for you. This video is going to be on Novidat. Novidat has 250 milligrams of ciprofloxacin. It's made by Sami Pharmaceutics. The box has 10 tablets in it. The price for one box is 165 rupees. Ciprofloxacin is used to treat or prevent certain infections caused by bacteria such as pneumonia, gonorrhea, a sexually transmitted disease, typhoid fever, a serious infection that is common in developing countries, infectious diarrhea, infections that cause severe diarrhea, and infections of the skin, bone, joint, abdomen, and prostate. Ciprofloxacin is also used to treat or prevent plague, a serious infection that may be spread on purpose as part of a bioterror attack, and in inhalation anthrax, a serious infection that may be spread by anthrax germs in the air or on purpose as part of a bioterror attack. Ciprofloxacin may also be used to treat bronchitis, sinus infections, or urinary tract infections, but should be used for bronchitis and sinus infections or certain types of urinary tract infections if there are other treatment options. Ciprofloxacin extended release tablets are used to treat kidney and urinary tract infections. However, some types of urinary tract infections should only be treated with ciprofloxacin extended release tablets if no other treatment options are available. Ciprofloxacin is in a class of medications called fluoroquinolones. It works by killing bacteria that causes infections. Antibiotics such as ciprofloxacin will not work for colds, flu, or other viral infections. Using antibiotics when they are not needed increases your risk of getting an infection later that resists antibiotic treatment. Ciprofloxacin comes as a tablet, suspension, and an extended release tablet to be taken by mouth with or without food. These are tablets. The tablets and suspensions are usually taken twice a day, and the extended release tablets are usually taken once a day. When used to treat gonorrhea, the tablets and suspension may be given as a single dose. Take ciprofloxacin at around the same time every day. The length of your treatment depends on the type of infection you have. Your doctor will tell you how long to take ciprofloxacin. Follow the directions on your prescription label carefully and ask your doctor or pharmacist to explain any part you do not understand. Take ciprofloxacin exactly as directed. Do not take more or less of it, or take it more often than prescribed by your doctor. One type of ciprofloxacin cannot be substituted for another. Do not take ciprofloxacin with dairy products or calcium fortified juices alone. However, you may take ciprofloxacin with a meal that includes these foods or drinks. Swallow the tablets and extended tablets whole. Do not split, crush, or chew them. If you cannot swallow tablets whole, tell your doctor. I hope you like the video. Please like and share our channel, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.